On this week's episode of Recreate It, we are going to be breaking down how to recreate an art cart from the Container Store.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips.
Okay, this art cart, one, I'm obsessed with because everything is just nice, tidy, and so easy to access. But I also love art carts because if you don't want your kids using things, you can just put it away. Just move it on the wheels and just store it in a closet or another area of your house where you don't have to have them access it. To recreate this art cart, everything can be found at the Container Store. I am also going to be including ways that you can recreate this art cart on a budget. So first you need the cart. Well, the Container Store has some, along with some craft supply stores like Michael's and IKEA also have similar carts that you can use for this art cart. On the very top row, you will see that there are buckets to hold different drawing supplies like markers and colored pencils. These can be found at the Container Store, but you can also find them at IKEA and at Michael's. What? Yes. So if you're looking to do this on a budget, you can easily do this exact same art cart, just using similar items found at other local places. So the very top has 6 different cartons to hold the different items. There's also a magnetic holder that's holding scissors. This can be found on Amazon or at the Container Store. The middle row has dividers to hold stamps and stamp pads. This item can be found at the Container Store, or you can also find similar items at IKEA or on Amazon. The colorful boxes, I'm going to give you a little tip. They are photo organizers. Seriously, Michael's and the Container Store and Amazon all carry similar organizers. Inside, it looks like it's cut pieces of cut paper or stickers. I've also stored washi tape inside those photo organizers just so everything kind of stays nice and clean. And if you have a kiddo who you don't really want playing with those things, you just take that one out and then store it in your craft room or craft closet. On the very bottom, they have organizers to hold hot glue gun and paint and pom-poms, all of those types of things. I think those are great and perfect. Again, you can find all of those things at IKEA or the Container Store or Michael's, or even your local Home Goods might have something along those lines as well that will fit into an art cart. If you don't want them all loose, you can totally use acrylic canisters to hold things like your pom-poms. The Container Store and Amazon carry acrylic ones that are perfect for young kids. Finally, this cart has labels on all 3 of the tiers. This type of label is magnetic. So this one particular obviously is from the Container Store, but you can also find these on Amazon or you can make your own. Okay, let me explain how you can make your own. These are basically the pocket holders of name tag cards that you can buy at a local paper store or on Amazon. Then just add a magnetic strip to the back and you can slide in the tag right into the holder, and then you can easily swap it out. So if you don't want all the markers up on top, you can change where that goes and just take the paper that you slid in, you can just take it out and put in a new label. All of the products used are listed below, along with a blog post that'll walk you through setting it up as well. So now it's your turn to recreate this adorable art cart. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.